Hello everyone. Hi parents and students. I hope all are well. I'm just going to make you a quick video showing how to use Flipgrid. Flipgrid is a really easy way for students to make videos where they get to respond to questions that their teachers ask them. So I'm going to show you with, this is a Google Classroom. This is what a Google Classroom would look like. And this might be how a teacher attaches a Flipgrid to their Google Classroom, but they can also attach it in another link, and I'll show you another example of that later, but it'll bring you to the same site. So once you click on the site, you might see something like this, and it will ask them to log on. And because students have a Alvin ISD Gmail, you would just simply click log on with Google, right? And then you would put in, you would either have to enter if they haven't logged in already, or you would just click on their Google. So it would bring them to this sort of dashboard, which is what the teacher would ask them. So you'll see here, this is my dashboard, and it says I titled it Reading Response. It has my name. And there's one response here that I sent in. I logged in as my daughter. The way to respond is super easy. You see this glowing green button. You literally click that button and up would come this screen with a video. You would record your video, and once you record your video, you would click next, you would make a picture, and they could do like all these fun stickers on their picture if they wanted to. So like for example, I might want to do this because I may not like the way my face looks. Then I'm gonna click next, and I'm gonna write my name, and I'm gonna click submit. And that is it. It is super easy. And once it is done, it would load up here, and your teacher would be able to see all the different videos. You can even watch each other's video and comment. So I can comment and say, oh, I think that was a great idea what you did. Oh, I think that was a great idea. And now my video is going to be, my comments is going to be on my friend's video. So now I'm even commenting to my friends on Flipgrid. And that is it. Thanks again.